It doesn't matter if it's your first day doing woodworking or you're a 50-year veteran. Bandsaws are used in almost every kind of project and a staple machine in your shop. Hi, I'm Alex Snodgrass from Athens, Georgia, and I've been a woodworker for over 30 years. For almost as long, I've specialized in bandsaws. I've taught hundreds of bandsaw classes and clinics across the United States, and I'm so passionate about them, I've developed patents for their use. I am very excited to be able to tell you about the new bandsaws from POWERMATIC. When I think of POWERMATIC, there's always one word that comes to mind: ambition. I know that when I invest in POWERMATIC products, I'm going to be able to satisfy even my wildest creative ambitions. The new 18, 20, and 24-inch bandsaws from POWERMATIC allow me to bring these ideas in my mind to life. On a bandsaw of this caliber, it starts with capacity. The 20-inch POWERMATIC bandsaw has a 20-inch throat capacity and 18 inches of resaw. In addition, these new bandsaws have a 5-horsepower motor and a solid cast iron wheels to ensure smooth cut with consistent accuracy, cut quality, no matter the size of the piece. When working on a bandsaw of this size, the table has to be solid, and the table on this bandsaw is as solid as it gets. The heavy-duty cast iron gives you a large work surface and plenty of support. When you do need to tilt the table, there's a large, rigid chrome hand wheel to make adjustments easier. The fence that comes with these new bandsaws is the type of high-quality fence POWERMATIC is known for, except that it's even bigger and even sturdier. The T-square design of the AccuFence gives me the flexibility to align the blade and square it with the table. The 2 pairs of set screws allows for complete adjustability. Flexibility like this really allows me to expand my thinking. The locking system on this fence is a positive locking cam with pressure adjustment. It's extremely rigid and gives me the confidence that it's going to stay exactly where I want it to. The side plate on this bandsaw can be used in either horizontal or vertical position. In the vertical position, you have 6.5 inches of support, which is great when you're working with a taller piece. There is also a solid steel resaw post included in the fence. Improved door design is going to make things a lot easier when making blade changes. The doors open easily and no longer have to open all the way. The blade is accessible when the door opens at a 90-degree angle. This also allows you to position the saw closer to the wall in your shop. The new magnetic close on the front of the blade guard pops open. The blade comes out the front of the bandsaw table for easy removal. Once you have a new blade on, it's easy to track using the built-in window. The fine-tuning on the blade tension is a snap thanks to the Acme thread. Blade guides are now easy to adjust. The guides are toolless, so it's very easy to quickly adjust them without a wrench. Another hallmark of POWERMATIC is attention to detail, and these saws have several more features that take the tools to the next level. The foot brake easily allows me to stop the coasting blade without having to take my hands off what I'm doing. The electrical interlock is a safety feature that keeps the bandsaw from starting if the blade is detensioned. The magnetic switch protects the motor if you were to encounter any electrical supply issues. There are also dual dust ports on the back of the saw for convenient, effective collection. I make my living on a bandsaw. I'm constantly asking for more and more as my ambitions and my projects list grow. These new POWERMATIC bandsaws allow me to do more, they allow me to expand my ambitions, and they prove themselves every day.
For the last 90 years, POWERMATIC has been setting the gold standard in woodworking machinery. Committed to quality since 1921, POWERMATIC has been providing generations of woodworkers with the tools and the confidence to create and inspire.